So check this out. One of these could change your health forever. The other does absolutely nothing. And honestly, I don't know which one is which, but that's kind of the whole point. Okay, so here's the thing. Your cousin swears that turmeric fixed her knee. Your coworker won't stop talking about magnesium and sleep. The question is, did any of it actually work? Or did they just think it was gonna work? Because our brains at the end of the day are wild. They can literally trick our bodies into feeling better just because we expect it to. That is what we call the very famous placebo effect. And it's also why real science uses something called a randomized control trial, or an RCT for short. Sounds fancy and a little bit of a mouthful, but it's actually quite simple. So an RCT works like this. You take a group of people, you randomly split them up. Some get the real supplement, the actual active ingredient, and then some get a placebo. So it looks the same, tastes the same, but there's nothing in it. And here's the thing. Nobody knows which group they're in. Not the people taking it, not even the researchers running the study. That's double blind. And so when the results come in, you can actually trust them, because really the only difference between the placebo group and the active group was the ingredient itself. Now, if you are nerdy like me and this sounds very fascinating to you, guess what? You can actually be part of something like this. Reputable Health, we have RCT studies going on all the time. In fact, we actually are recruiting for one right now involving a plant-based sleep supplement. And you can find that in our study catalog. But whether you end up in the placebo group or the active group, it really doesn't matter, because you are still contributing to real evidence, real research, with your real data. So if you're like me and you are just so sick and tired of guessing what's working versus what's not, check out the link in our bio and join one of our reputable studies today.